I am not a professional. My gloves are literally turning pink. Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. If you're new, you're probably new because I don't really do hair videos that much on my channel. Today we're going to be using the Bleach London Awkward Peach in my hair. This is what my hair's looking like right now. So as you can see, it's not completely blonde, as you can tell, but we have a lot of blondage going on, so I don't know if this is going to take to it that well. I'm going to try, and then if not, I'm going to put this Odd Fuchsia on. I normally use the big pink colour, but this was quite like brand new, I think, this colour. Anyway, so this one says fades out in 2 to 30 washes, and then this one says fades out in 1 to 5 washes. My friend was literally like, this does nothing, but on the back it says there, if it'll focus, says that is what my hair will look like. So we will see. I've got gloves this time because the amount of people that dragged me last time for not wearing gloves. I am not a professional. I do not claim to be a professional at all. I am a makeup artist. I know how to do makeup, and that is it. So I'm just sectioning off my hair. I'm not going to mix this with conditioner because literally you can see it's not that saturated as colour. Love the smell of these. You're supposed to put these on wet hair. You do what you want. I don't put it on wet hair because I feel like the colour just sticks better to dry hair. I could be wrong, but that's what I do basically. They look horrible. I went to get a hair dye today. Well, I went to look at hair dyes as well as this, just randomly, and they don't come with gloves anymore because of COVID and stuff, and I'm like, what? All I do is literally, I'm just going to pop it on my hand. Oh, ew, it's like a worm. But yeah, if this doesn't go well, I'll just get the tangerine colour and then dilute it myself. I think peach will look like a really nice colour though. I'm just worried because my friend's got bleach blonde hair. She literally did nothing. I'm like, oh, don't say that to me. It's like wiggling in between as well, just trying to get all the hair. But my underneath is like really dark anyway, so it's not going to like matter as much. I hope it doesn't make my hair look like, you know, when you bleach it and it goes orange. We'll find out, and then if it goes wrong, we're going in with the pink colour. Took that bit out of me here. I'm going to do the second layer. I need to take my gloves off to do this, don't I? Oh no, it doesn't matter. It's not going to do up to my brown hair, is it? I just want to make sure it's all like saturated in it, because the worst thing that can happen is like, imagine having like some of your bits of your hair looking patchy. We don't want a patchy hair colour, Hannah. So again, just popping it on. Oh, I can see it changing colour a little bit already though. Can't you guys? You see it? Oh, it's going like a pinky kind of colour though. So, can you see that? It's going like a pinky colour. See, I want dark hair, but I won't be able to do fun stuff like this. I'm just going to keep doing this until I'm happy. It looks pink. Does that look pink to you guys? The same thing as last time. It should just saturate on my hair and at the back. Especially at the front. Like a shark. Oh wow. I can already see it changing colour. Can you see that? I'm excited. Right. Let me get my brush. Ow. That hurt. If this end's turning pink, I'm going to be really confused though, because I'm like, I thought it was Awkward Peach or something. What's it called? Awkward Peach. Look. My gloves are literally turning pink. So I'm going to do the same thing again. Oh, it's pink. Look, that's not pink. Let's do this. Get all like the, you know, little baby highlight blonde bits in my hair. I don't want to miss any bits out. It's like blonde colour. Blonde colour. I can't see the back of my hair, so I think... Why does that make me laugh? I'm going to put a shower cap on and leave it on for like 20 minutes, and then we'll see where we're at. So it doesn't look like pink now, thank God, I've just washed it out, but I am worried that it looks a bit patchy because obviously like up here it's not like took as much. So I'm just going to dry my hair quickly on camera and then straighten it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, okay. I am really confused to why it has like that is pink. Like you can't say that's not pink, it is pink. Yellowy peachy kind of vibe, and it like at top of here you can see like slightly a different change, can't you? But the bottom is pink. So this is what we have. So I can definitely tell that the top of it has definitely gone more peachy. Like there, that's definitely more peachy in my eyes anyway. I think I might have to put a little bit more on the top. I feel like if it were one colour I'd be happy. With this filter it does look quite peachy. Like you can see I'll insert it here. It does look quite peachy. But I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Right, I'm going to go off camera, straighten my hair, put some face makeup on, because my face is a lot paler than the rest of my body, and we'll see how we feel. So I am back with my makeup on. I haven't put mascara on, so that's why I might look a bit weird because I've got an eye issue at the moment. So, what we're thinking with my hair. Do you know what? When it's washed out and stuff, I think it looks really, really nice and pretty, but it's not peach. Like, it's a peachy pink. It's never been peach, like, on my hair anyway. I don't know if it's because, like, my hair's more of a yellow tone, but that makes no sense. I prefer this side to this side just because obviously like this side you can notice that like there's a bit more of a gap, and this side, oh, my little cute clips. I got these from Boots. These were like $9.50, so not ridiculously pricey, but I just thought they were so cute, and everyone's getting fed up with me wearing these all the time, but I feel like they're just so good for keeping your hair out of your face. They are the strongest clips I've ever used, and they look so cute. But I thought, oh, I'm just going to buy these just for a little bit of a change, but then I just realised that I could have bought different coloured these ones. But these are cute. These are more like dressy clips. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like my channel, watch my videos, and you're not already subscribed. Just check down below. It takes 2 seconds. Why is my hand so pale in comparison to the rest of my body? Don't know. That's annoying me as well. Go away. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and I shall see you guys in the next one.
Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love